The Ukrainian drone army is staying busy weakening the Russian supply chain, as without resources, Russian troops quickly surrender or flee. As we see a Ukrainian FPV drone finding a Russian supply truck in the field, it makes a quick swoop down for a strike. As the crew abandon the vehicle, the Ukrainian drone army takes no chances and goes in for a second strike. Hitting the truck even better, resulting in the truck catching fire, completely destroying the vehicle and resources. While going out for a quick second hunt, finding and destroying another supply vehicle, hurting Russia's logistic, taking out one after another of Russia's equipment and resources, leaving one less for tomorrow. That's all I had for this video. Please like and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching. Bye.